Hi, and welcome to this tutorial video, Unlocking Sora AI Beta, a complete tutorial. I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of accessing Sora AI Beta. Let's dive right into the tutorial. Sora AI is an advanced AI model capable of creating realistic and imaginative scenes based on text instructions. It can generate videos up to a minute-long while, maintaining high visual quality and adhering to the user's prompts. Sora AI can create complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details of the subject and background. Additionally, it can generate multiple shots within a single video, ensuring consistency in characters and visual style. To gain access to Sora AI Beta, the company has implemented safety measures and is currently working exclusively with the Red Team. The Red Team, comprised of domain experts in areas like misinformation, hateful content, and bias, will rigorously test the model. As of now, access to Sora AI Beta is only available to members of the Red Team or those personally invited by the company. For the general public, Sora AI Beta is not yet available. However, once all required testing is completed, OpenAI will officially release Sora AI to the public. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.